Welcome back to Barnstorming Garage. Another tip and trick for you. Here we are in a 2004 TSX made by Honda / Acura. There is a trouble with these occasionally where the VSA system goes off. It's really sensitive. It's usually the ABS sensors or the speed sensors at the wheels at the front that cause it. I just had a seatbelt that needed to be replaced. I had an SRS light on. No OBD2 scanner will see those error codes, so I couldn't diagnose it. So I had to take it to an Acura dealership. Thank heavens it was under warranty, even though it's 20 years old. It's an SRS supplemental restraint. So as a result of that, they covered it under warranty. But I was like, hey, look at this VSA light while you're at it, because I just cleared it and it came back. Well, it was the right front wheel speed sensor, which I just replaced in February. They wanted $684 to replace a wheel speed sensor. $684. I bought the part next door at O'Reilly for $42, and I just replaced it now with a timer on. It took me 9 minutes and 36 seconds. And that's with me walking back and forth to the toolbox and jacking the car up and taking the wheel off. It is one nut and two bolts. All three of them are 10 millimeter. And then it's simply an unplug, pull it through the fender wall, stick it back through the fender wall or the inner fender wall, plug it back in, put it all together. And now I got to do this part, which you'll see takes all of a minute. Anyway, that's it. Let's talk now. Let's show you what the process is. I like to call it the TSX hokey pokey. All right, to start, you need a jumper wire. That's a little 18 gauge wire. Just stripped it, twisted them, did that. And now we got to go down to the OBD2, which is underneath here. Can I get to it though? Nope, right there. OBD2. Right here. So we got to jump pin 9 to pin 4. Pin 9 is there. Pin 4 is 4in. So we're going to do this without my reading glasses on, which will be interesting. It's not interesting. It's just difficult. There we go. I felt that I engaged. All right. It's in pin 9. Now I got to get it in pin 4. And now I'm doing it with no light because I can't see nothing. Oh, and it came out. All right, give me a second. I'll put it back in. Okay, so that was ridiculous. I need to wear my reading glasses when I do this stuff up close. I had to move the seat back far enough so I could get back far enough so I could, yeah, I'm 49. That's what happens. All right, so there it is jumped. That's what it's supposed to look like from 9 to 4. That is, 4 is the chassis ground. Okay. Now, here's where it's called the hokey pokey. Oh, now I got to move the seat forward because I can't get to it. All right, so I guess keys in my pocket are good. So, put your foot on the brake. Turn the key on. When the ABS goes off, take your foot off the brake. When it comes back on, push the pedal again. When it goes off, let go again. You do the hokey pokey and you turn yourself around. Flashes a lot and turns off. There you go, just cleared the code. See, hokey pokey. So there's the trick. Brake pedal on, turn the key on. When the ABS light turns off, let go of the brake pedal. When it comes back on, push the brake pedal. When it goes off, let go of the brake pedal. You get a whole bunch of flashing and then it disappears. All right, so we cleared the ABS code. Now we have to reset the vehicle stabilization alert system. Vehicle stabilization assistance, VSA. Everybody else in the world calls it traction control, but Acura has to be different. I'm guessing Honda does too. Anyway, that's it. VSA, Vehicle Stabilization Assistance. Sure. If I'm wrong, tell me. I'm okay with it. But now we need to reset the neutral position for that switch. So let me show you how that works. Okay, ABS light on, VSA button. When it comes back on, we're going to press it again. Now everything will flash and turn off. And you've done it. You've done it. You turned off the VSA light. You reset the system. It's all back. And they want to charge $700 for that. That's why I call them stealerships, not dealerships. Anyway, all fixed. You got to remember to pull your jumper out. If I can find it. Boop. There it is. Now if I turn this off, turn her back on, fire it up, we got no more lights. Look, even my SRS light's gonna go off. Look at that, it's the first time in a long time. Look, I can even take the brake off. And then, if I buckle the seatbelt, no trouble lights in the 2004 TSX. I think it's the first time all of them have been off since I've had the car. But it's all because of this. It was actually this seatbelt buckle, the driver's side seat buckle, that was the problem. They replaced it under warranty. So anyway, that's it. That's a tip and trick for today. You got an Acura. I'm guessing Honda is probably very similar for this era. I know for Acura TSX, it's for 2004 to 2008. There is a similar sequence, but I know it's different beyond 2008. So look it up. It's probably out there somewhere. Anyway, that's it for today. Have a good one. Like, subscribe, thumbs up, comment. We like all those things. Hit the notification bell. Keep coming back. We'll keep sharing some videos. Y'all have a good one.